They're my Popits. I got 5. And let's open them. I'm super excited. I've never owned Popits before. Okay, here they are. I would have to say these two are my favorite colors. Let's start with this one. Okay, let's do it. Okay, this is the quiet side, I hope. And then hopefully this is the loud side. Oh my gosh, it's the loud side. I really, really like it. It has the perfect noise. 10 out of 10. Here's the orange one. I also love this. 10 out of 10. Yellow Popit, 10 out of 10. Purple Popit, 11 out of 10. I love the color. And 10 out of 10 for the green. Thank you.